3 minutes and 30 seconds. In terms of my approach, I don't think that I would change too much. Perhaps I could have just modeled a quarter of the part and done a circular body pattern rather than having a circular feature pattern everything. The other thing is I could just add this counter bore in the same, again, before the circular pattern with, do each of those cut extrudes, add the bolt, then pattern everything around afterwards. But I ended up just doing the counter bores all within that, all of them within the same hole wizard feature. So a couple different ways to do it. Probably would have been faster to do it before the circular pattern, so that's what I do next time around. This print is really challenging to make sense of. There was a moment there where I was just really confused with all these different lines going through, so just some drawing feedback that I would give if I was a machinist and I received this was maybe we clean up some of these hidden lines. They don't need to be in every single sketch. But again, first thing that I saw when I saw this model was, this is a circular part, we're going to do a revolve, we have a cross section, so cool. Alright, what are we looking at? We're looking at the shaded area, that's what I need to draw. These two are not collinear, which thankfully SolidWorks didn't automatically add that relation in, so we're good there. Some of those dimensions as well. One thing to point out, and you might have noticed this as I was making this sketch, is sometimes when you draw your initial profile in, if you don't add your dimensions right away, and you go back in later, sometimes the sketch looks super messy. Don't worry about cleaning up the sketch right away. Just keep sketching, keep adding your dimensions, and things will snap into place. Again, let it be messy for a bit, keep adding dimensions, and things will clean themselves up. So don't worry about it too much. That can save you some time as well. So that's on that section. I did an offset plane here to extrude this. I could have, now that I think about it, I could have also done a right plane cut extrude. Just draw this whole pattern or this whole feature in one go. That would probably be a way to speed up some time on the second time through. You can extrude it out one direction, add a bolt hole, circular pattern 4 times, and call it a day. So that's probably what I'll do next time around. Otherwise, again, pretty straightforward revolved feature, just keeping track of this messy drawing with all these hidden lines, and it's very hard to make sense of what's going on where. But let's give this another shot and see how much faster we get.